happens after Joyita Mashi.
A very, very happy birthday. Have a wonderful day today and wishing you lots and lots of good luck for you for this day and the year ahead. Hope you have a lovely time with family. We are bound to do that now. Can't be with you, sorry this time, but I remember those times when we used to celebrate together and it was real fun and also with the gang. But anyway, hope to have this later on when we are together again. But for the time being, lots and lots of love and a big hug from myself.
Hey, hi Joyita, wish you a very happy birthday and many happy returns of this day. And আশা করি খুব ভালো কাটছে তোর দিন and enjoy yourself. আর আমাদের তো during these occasions আমরা পুরোনো সব দিনগুলোর কথা সব মনে পড়ছি. We all had very nice time all along. আমরা এত জায়গায় গেছি, বেরিয়েছি. We had so much of fun together and I found always that you were a very fun-loving and very upfront person. মানে পিছনে রেখে কোনো কথা বলিস না and which is something which is a very good character trait and মজা করতে ভালোবাসিস. So keep that cheerful spirit alive, okay? And wish you many more happy returns of this day. Take care, huh? Keep smiling.
Hi Devi, a very very happy birthday to you. মনে মনে ভাবছি যে কত জন্মদিন আমরা তোর জন্মদিন একসাথে কাটিয়েছি, সেই সব দিনগুলো মনে পড়ছে. তোর সম্বন্ধে কিছু বলা আমার পক্ষে খুব ডিফিকাল্ট. আমরা এতটাই একসাথে পথ চলেছি, এতটাই আনন্দ করেছি, দুঃখ শেয়ার করেছি, এতটাই একে অন্যের সাথী হয়েছি যে আলাদা করে তোর সম্বন্ধে কিছু বলবো এটা আমার পক্ষে খুব চ্যালেঞ্জিং ব্যাপার. শুধু এইটুকু বলতে চাই যে আমি তোর জীবনে আছি, আমি তোর জীবনে থাকবো. মাঝখানের কত স্মৃতি আজকে ভিড় করে আসছে মনে, তবে সবচেয়ে মেমোরেবলটা বোধহয় আমাদের সেই রাজবাড়ির রাতটা. ওটা ভোলা যায় না বল, কাউকে বোধহয় বোঝানোও যায় না যে সে রাতটা কেমন ছিল. ওইটা আমার ফেভারিট মেমোরি উইথ ইউ. খুব ভালো থাক. আমি খুব ভয় থাকি সবসময় তোর স্বাস্থ্য নিয়ে. সুস্থ থাক, আনন্দে থাক. জীবনের প্রতিটা মুহূর্তে যেন তুই নতুন করে, নতুন রকমের, নতুনভাবে যেন আনন্দ খুঁজে পাস. আর কি, ছেলে মেয়েরা খুব ভালো থাকুক, তুই খুব ভালো থাক. ইউ আর এ ভেরি ট্যালেন্টেড হিউম্যান বিইং. আই হ্যাভ লার্নড সো মেনি থিংস ফ্রম ইউ অ্যান্ড your incredible courage is an inspiration to me. Love you very much. Bye.
Happy birthday, Joyita. Happy birthday for a great year ahead. Happy birthday for being such a wonderful person that you've always been, and you're going to continue to be, right? Happy birthday for staying so strong during this lockdown, and happy birthday for tomorrow. Hope to meet you very soon and treat you to some great biryani that I'm trying to perfect nowadays. All right? Have a great year ahead. Have a lot of smiles. Maybe continue to do everything that we've done. And yes, let's get one more holiday, all of us together. Have a great day.
Hi Joyita, happy birthday. Wish I could really come in person and meet you, but obviously circumstances. So wish you a great year ahead. I think Arup has said mostly what I wanted to tell you.
You can repeat.
The biryani is definitely due. He's almost tasted. You'll love it. So tomorrow we'll cut a cake for you and we'll do a video call also. But till then, enjoy yourself and have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Take
birthday.
care. Bye bye.
হ্যালো জয়িতা আন্টি, আ ভেরি হ্যাপি বার্থডে. আশা করি তোমার দিনটা খুব ভালো কাটছে. লাইক এই লকডাউনে যতটা দিন ভালো কাটা যায়, বাট আই এম প্রিটি শিওর যে এটা খুব একটা বেশি দিন চলবে না. আর যখন এটা শেষ হবে তখন আমরা খুব ধুমধাম করে সেলিব্রেট করব. কিন্তু টিল দেন ইউ হ্যাভ টু স্টে স্ট্রং. আই হোপ তোমার দিনটা খুব ভালো কাটছে. অ্যান্ড ইয়া, many happy returns of the day.
Hi Auntie, wishing you a very happy birthday for this year and wishing you have a great year ahead and a lovely day. This is of course a virtual gift from us to you because we can't see you during this time, but we definitely hope to meet soon and give you a proper gift for sure. Have a great day Auntie and have a great year ahead. Lots of love and warm wishes. Hi Auntie, happy birthday. Have a great day. We'll be sure to meet you soon as soon as all this is over and enjoy your day and your year to the fullest.
Hello Joyita auntie, happy birthday. I was thinking for the past few days what to talk about when Ritu asked me to make this video, and as I was reflecting back on the 10 plus years that I've known you, I realized how many happy memories you've given me in my childhood. Two of the earliest memories that I could recall was one when I was in class 3 or 4 and I used to participate in all these dance programs, and I used to ask Ritu to tell you to come and see me at the bus stop so that I could show you how I looked. And in spite of having a demanding corporate job all your life, you did used to turn up at 7 a.m. just to see me in my costume, and that used to make me so happy. The second one is how I used to give Ritu all the latest ITC food products that we used to gorge on in our lunch breaks when I was in class 2. The recent memories are however different. I cherish seeing you cook up treats in our kitchen, be it roast chicken or sausages or anything else, from making breakfast together to organizing parties together to sharing music together in our Shanti Niketan guest house balcony. I always knew that familiarity was comforting, but I realized that in my ICC days, when you used to wait for me every day before I went in and you used to wish me luck. Thank you for being a constant familiar face in a world that I've not figured out yet. I know today's your birthday and I should be the one giving you gifts, but I can't. So here's me thanking you for 2 things. One is the sari, that is the first official sari that I own that you gave me on my 18th birthday, and that is always going to be very special to me. And the second is Ritu. Thank you for being such a parent and a role model to her, and for making her who she is. She is the greatest gift you've given me unknowingly, and for that I am forever grateful to you. I hope in the years to come you grow crazier and happier and spread madness and joy everywhere you go. Here's wishing you a happy birthday. Lots of love.
Hi, Joy. It's amazing the way we have met each other and become such good friends over the years. It's awesome to know you, girl, and for all the times that you have been there for me. Yes, you're an awesome friend, and at the same time, I've always tolerated your HR avatar also. But anyway, that is not the reason why I called you today. I called to wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless. And always remember, ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे.
দিদি ভাই উইশ ইউ আ ভেরি হ্যাপি বার্থডে। খুব ভালো থেকো, বাড়িতে থেকো এবং সেফ থেকো।
আমার অনেক অনেক আশীর্বাদ রইল। ছেলে পুলে বাচ্চা সানাকানা নিয়ে ভালো থাকো।
Happy birthday once more.
very happy birthday, Didi Bhai. Have a great one. Wish you more success and happiness. এবছর ট্রিটটা বাকি থাকলো, বাট লকডাউনের পর ট্রিটটা চাই।
Hi Joyita, how are you? Happy birthday. Celebrate your birthday safely. Convey my wishes to Ronak and Ritvika.
Happy birthday, auntie. I after the whole quarantine thing, come home, auntie, and then we'll eat the whole chicken thing you made again.
Hi Joyita, happy birthday. Hope you are having good time with Ronak and Ritvika. A safe and family together birthday this time. After this, all those things are over. Maybe we'll get a chance to have a small get together and have a grand birthday party. Okay, guys, take care, Ronak and Ritika. Stay safe. Enjoy your time with your mom. Okay, don't trouble her too much. Have fun.
Have fun.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Joyita auntie.
Happy birthday, Joyita. God bless you. Have a fantastic year ahead. You have been a positive force, and I pray that you continue to be the positive person that you are and spread that wonderful feeling among all those around you. And I'm enjoying the breeze here. Joyita loves nature, so it is but natural that I be in the midst of nature as I speak to her. Be the wonderful girl that you are, and blessings to Ritu and Ronak too. Remain blessed.
Hi Joyita, it's your birthday and I want to say something. You know, whenever you are present, you notice a lot. Your personality is characterized by determination and a loving nature, and your determination rarely falters. At times you become so dedicated to achieving your goal that you even neglect your need to eat or sleep. Well, you also need to have your own privacy because you actually love to work in peace without being disturbed. Am I right? Yes, and I have identified the 3 F's in you. Yeah, don't get surprised. Your love for food, your faith in so many things, and family. Your strong link with children, your love for nature, care for body, and style quotient. They're all your merits. So keep them up. Don't ever change. And yes, on your birthday, I wish that you have a wonderful day and that the year ahead is filled with much love, many wonderful surprises, your lasting memories, and those which you will cherish in all the days ahead. A very happy birthday to you.
Birthday from Texas. 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Juba Bishi. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Juma.
খুব ভালো থেকো।
Happy birthday, Juma Bishi.
Happy birthday, Juba Bishi. You're the best.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Marcy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Juma. Have a great day. Stay at home.
With your long like one.
Have a great quarantine birthday, and I'm sure Ritu will make it special with all the efforts that she's putting. Ronnie, and I hope Ronnie and Ritu are also doing well.
Ronnie will prepare cake this time. Ronnie must be having some great surprise for his mother.
তুমি প্রেশার কেন দিচ্ছ আমার রনির উপরে বেচারা?
Happy birthday, Juma. Many more to come. Have a fabulous time with your family. Enjoy your day. Stay blessed. Be always happy and healthy. Love you.
Hi Joyita, wish you a very happy birthday. Stay healthy, stay safe, be happy.
Good morning. Happy birthday, Joyita, and what a wonderful way to wish you the same. A lone struggler, always a friend by my side. Wish you a very, very happy birthday on this special occasion. A real friend, philosopher, and guide when it comes to you, and a lone warrior who is fighting her own battle. We are there with you, dear friend. Cheer up and be as you are always. You are our inspiration, and I am proud to be a friend of yours. Thank you so much.
Joyita, hello there. Very, very happy birthday. Wishing you from your good old Jamalpur and from me. And hello there, Ritu and Ronak. Have a wonderful day celebrating it in a very, very special way for Mom. That's lovely. I think that's a wonderful idea. Your plan to make Mom very happy with this surprise video. Very good. God bless. And I'm thinking of you, praying for you very specially. I like to do this by singing a short little song for you, Joyita, one of my favorites. Have a wonderful day, all three of you, with all my love.